Welcome to Luca's birthday.
Wait.
This one.
Go on then.
See, I opened the card I opened for you last night. Yeah. It's Spider-Man. Spider-Man! Oh, there's the Spider-Man. Here's the Paw Patrol. That's not bad. You get a colour in, Luca.
What is it, Luca?
It's a watch. You get the colour in.
No, what? What is it?
It's a Paw Patrol watch.
Paw Patrol camera?
Watch. Camera.
Yay. You'll be able to take pictures of me, won't you?
Look at it. You can colour. And open another one.
Go on then.
Oh, I'll open this one. Oh. Now, can I open this one? Yeah.
Only there's 2 presents over there on the chair for you.
Oh. Well, that's for me and Mum. See, that's for me and Mum. Thank you. For you.
Luca, you can open yours, come on.
Yes! I was getting that for Max, but now I have him. Minecraft! For me! Look at the Minecraft pajamas.
No, it's not.
House coat.
I thought they were that is my birthday. Pills and penguins, dinosaur, and someone help me open this. Oh, I will help you. Oh, what is this? Whoa! Dad, you have a giant ear-hockey table. This would be This would be good. I'm gonna open. Then I think this is my new favourite toy. Ow!
So do the big one, Sonny. Come on, you don't have to open it there.
Oh, okay. I hope I get something good. I need help. There it is.
Just what you wanted.
Let's go! Thank you.
Oh, wow.
I need it. Then the Giga need it. Yeah? I've really been thank Dada. Oh,
Okay.
this is so good. Because this is off the arcade. One in speed.
Okay, leave that there. You got other ones?
Awesome. Dad,
Yeah.
don't get smashed.
Kevin, go on, do your other ones.
Dad, Sky. Dad.
What?
We lost one of that skeleton, but now we have it. Yeah, we have it. My party yet?
Come on, open your other presents.
Luca, I'm gonna open this one. Let's both open it. Oh, this is so I skate. I don't know if Luca has ever tried these, so why don't we do on the grass when it's sunny to try?
You have to do it on the pavement.
Please,
I can see some more presents, Luca.
Super game! Whoa!
Oh, that looks good.
And it's for me and you, Dada.
Ah, that'll be good.
Gassy Ghost! I've always been one of them. Maybe this one was for me because for
No.
me and you. Now you open it. Now yes. Gassy Ghost! I think open. Mr. Funny Face, I remember when we was having the play that?
Yes, yeah.
Pussy face. Luca, let's try and find more questions. Number card. Number card. Number card.
That's it now for presents, I think.
No. So have a card. What's a present? This is the number in save. What? Mama. Save. That is so hard to read. We can't have space in this one.
For you. Go under the table.
For me! Mommy, no, for me! No, for me!
Here, come here.
Come on, here's yours, yeah.
Yeah, for action! Action, outskirts! Bye-bye!
Yay. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, look at you.
Ow, ow!
Of course.
We need to look more to find
Right.
any more push.
Listen. Look at the camera and say, Happy birthday, Luca.
Happy birthday, Luca!
Happy birthday to
My
you.
cake!
Where do you cake after?
Birthday to you. Happy
Birthday, dear Luca. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Cake!
Now let's let you take that school with you.
Come on, let's have a tidy up and then we'll play with the toy.